Okay, so this is one of the worst cases of bathtub installation that I've seen. They actually put bathtub cover over an old bathtub, which is supposed to make it look like new, but it never works. But the installation at the beginning was so faulty that it's amazing. Let's get into it. Well, first of all, we're gonna just remove this so we can lift up the tub. I'm gonna cut the top of it in half, and then you see the unbelievable crap that goes on here. I'm gonna tell you this, I'm not a big fan of tub covers because they always leak. They can hold up for a couple of months and then they start leaking. But this, look at this, it just came out. No glue, no polyurethane foam, nothing. Nothing held it in there, and it just, check it out. Out. Unbelievable. It just came out as it is, and I was amazed at this. So I'm gonna do the same thing, cut the original bathtub in two as well, and take it out. But when you see what's going on here, you'll be amazed with me. I think it was the worst bathtub installation that I've ever seen. It's unbelievable. And I don't know, look at this, it's just ripping apart. Nothing is holding it. It's not connected to anything. Unbelievable. And the quality, well, I'm not gonna even talk about that. There's nothing that holding it from the bottom. It just rips out. It's a joke. It's a joke. No wonder they had leaks all over the place with this bathtub. So I'm gonna let you watch for a while as he takes everything out and rips up the tiles on the side. Okay guys, let me know what you're thinking about this whole piece of shit installation in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And maybe give me a like as well for this video. It really helps out the YouTube channel. Thanks. Now, as you see, there's this tile cage, bathtub cage, which is supposed to be either screwed to the floor or cemented to the floor, and on the other side screwed into the bathtub. And it was just sitting there, no screws, no nothing. And it just, my guy just lifts it up outside. Unbelievable. So as my guy's cleaning up, you can see, and we're finding out that this used to be a shower pan, which they just placed the bathtub all over it as it is. And yeah, we're breaking out the thing, and we're going to be connecting a new a new bathtub instead, and you'll see how we do it. Next one, you see here, when they took out the shower, they left this hole in the ground without cementing it or anything. So any water that came out of the bathroom just went down to the neighbors downstairs, and now the neighbor's ceiling has a big hole in it. So he just cemented, closed it up just in case. Next, I'm gonna put cement on the left top side where the foot of the bathtub is gonna be sitting, and I'm gonna add some more cement on top of it, and that's gonna hold it down properly. Get some lube action going. And now we're gonna thread. We're gonna lift the bathroom from the back side, from the wall side, so the PVC pipe can just go and connect directly to the pipe downstairs, so the connection on the other side. So you're gonna see my guy is gonna lift the back side of the bathtub. There he is lifting it. I'm sorry, I didn't video that part, but I'm connecting now the pipe to the connection at the bottom. That's it, and now putting down the bathtub. Next, we're gonna be pushing it under the tiles, because you always want tiles over the bathtub. There, and now the back side as well, lifting up, making it plumb. Next thing, I did cement under the bathtub, and I'm gonna add polyurethane foam, which is gonna give support from the bottom. You can see on the left side how the pipes are connected. I did do a water check that there's no leakage over there. I just didn't film it. Put lots of foam. It also keeps the heat, and it also gives it good support for the bathtub. Now the wall side, we don't do blocks anymore. This is styrofoam board with netting, and it's about an inch styrofoam board with netting and glue, tile glue on both sides. Makes it strong and easy to use. Also, this we catch with we glue with polyurethane foam on the bottom and the top. Let it dry for about 20 minutes, and then we can tile it. As you know, the polyurethane will expand and close up all gaps as it expands. Okay, I skipped the tiling process. If you want to see tiling videos in my channel, there are about 30 of them. Just going. Just wanted to show you the top tile. It has to be like 1/8 of an inch above the bathroom side, which was about a millimeter or two above the bathroom side, and a bit tilted toward the bathroom because I don't want water sitting on it. So I just wanted to show this part. And we're gonna put caulk all around it, or silicone actually. And then let everything dry for 24 to 48 hours. I'll show you in a minute how it is. We did put back the glass wall separator so water doesn't spill out or come out when they shower in there. But it came out good, and it will not leak anymore. I was amazed when I saw how stupid it was placed before. I don't know why my guy didn't use the proper tool for this, but hey, what you gonna do? Anyways, you can see here the finished product in just a second. I told the owner of the house, don't wash, don't clean, don't wet anything until 24 hours passed. And that's it. This is the bathroom